Just a quick little video to whom it may concern. Since Friday, Little Belgium has Hot Wheels 2025 P-Case. So I got a bunch of cars that I did not have yet and that I did not get in the 50 pack that I got from a Carrefour hypermarket. So this 1995 Mazda RX-7 Drift, or Dérapé in French, in the 70s versus 90s series. You can see in the back the series and then the release year and the number. Just a gloss red with side deco and top deco in the front here. Nothing to get excited about, but it's okay. That was the only Japanese car in this video. This is the only American car in this video, the 2020 Dodge Charger Hellcat. Muscle Mania. So quite a lot of metal on this, because you can see the metal edge on the base here. Just the exhausts and the diffuser are part of the plastic base. Side deco, and again just deco on the hood. SRT, Dodge, and the Hellcat logo. It's also called Hellcat on the base, interestingly. I thought Americans were not allowed to print that word. Yeah, very nice. Metal flake pink. It suits the car very well. This one I'm not going to open. As I said before, I'm going to do a separate Ferrari video, but I was hoping to find this in the 50 pack. Of course, it wasn't in there. So very pleased to be able to grab it. Ferrari SF90 Stradale. Some of you might already have found this case at Teddy or at Aldi. But Teddy is 30 minutes driving one way for me, and Aldi has their Hot Wheels at the checkout, which is very annoying because you have to wiggle yourself through the people that are waiting in line to pay for their groceries. So that's a very stupid spot to put Hot Wheels, in my opinion. A very cool 1967 Austin minivan, or a fourgonnette in French, art cars series. This is already an older one, 2014 copyright. Austin minivan from 1967. So quite a lot of metal on this. Just the front, the bumpers front and rear are plastic. So a lot of real estate to print stuff on. It's got all kinds of variations of the Union Jack on it. It's, on the bonnet, it's a proper one, and then the rest of the vehicle, there's kind of like very artistic interpretations of the UK flag. Sweet. New for 2025, the Jaguar XJC V12 Coupe, or Coupe, in the wild wide body series. Not a fan of the blue windows, as you probably know. I like the wheels on it. So it's got 8 exhausts, so suggesting it's a V8. I thought these only ever came as a V6 and a V12, or am I wrong in that? You can correct me in the comments if I am. So got a partially rolled down window on the drive side and the passenger side. It's got the grills and the license plate as part of the chrome interior. So no front and rear deco, but a lot of deco on the sides and on the top. It seems to have 2 of these, what are those, fans or fuel fillers on the boot lid. yeah, interesting casting. So quite different from the one that Matchbox does, but that's how it's supposed to be. Also new for 2025, the Gordon Murray Automotive T33 in the factory fresh. GMA T33, nice teal color, and it's just got the details that you would want on there, well, except maybe some silver for the exhaust, and this structured roof piece in plastic. I like it. BMW 2002, 70s versus 90s. There's also one in the kind of a orangey yellow. I don't have that one either. So again, Matchbox also does a version of this with the headlights and the taillights, and then the Hot Wheels version just gets these kind of BMW M-like stripes on the sides. I like the fuel filler that is tampoed. And of course the BMW logo as a top tampo. Nothing to get excited about, but you know, it's okay. Hoping I finally get a good version of the 1983 Porsche 928S in Muscle Mania. Previously I got 2 errors, which is okay because I collect errors, but you know, at one point you really do want to get a good version. 1983. So there was some flake on here, but that's gone. Okay, so that's good. We've got a full slid open sunroof or moonroof. That's good. We've got a full front metal piece here between the 2 pieces that I think are part of the window piece. So far so good. Porsche embossed in the back side there. Taillights also part of the window piece. Side markers. And a nice touch, there's a pair of what seems to be sunglasses on the passenger seat. It's got a steering column and a disc for a steering wheel, which is okay by me, and even got some details stamped into the steering wheel, so they did some kind of an effort there. Not such a huge fan of the cut-off seats, but oh well. I guess you can't have your cake and eat it too. So yeah, finally, good one. Very pleased to have found this. This is the other one I was hoping that was in the 50 pack, but turned out it wasn't. New for 2025 in the Then and Now series, Porsche 911 Turbo Cabriolet. Again, cool wheels, same as the Jaguar. So a metal flake purple with a pink interior. And they really did an effort to make that interior look okay. Again, we got the steering column and a disc for a steering wheel. The disc is a little bit small, should have been a little bit bigger, and should have had some details stamped in it like the 928. But you got a decent length of seat here. So all in all, some gauges even on the cluster there, with of course the rev counter in the middle. Handbrake and stuff, shifter, it's not bad. I can live with that. 964 turbo on the license plate. Almost fully tampoed except for the sunblack on the bottom grille there. Other than that, a really nice job. Yeah, the headlight tampo is a little bit low on this one, but that's okay. And then we get the Porsche on the you know, I would say a light bar in the middle, but it's just a piece of plastic between the taillights. Nowadays that would be a light bar, but back then it wasn't. Probably some reflective piece. And then again 964 turbo on the license plate and Hot Wheels on the bumper. Sweet, love it. This one I already have, but put some sticker on there just to remember that this is an error of the 1989 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG. Yes, another error. You will see in the next video there's a lot of errors in this and then the cars I found from 2025, or the second part of 2025. Wild wide body. So in the rear it has the proper wheels, which are the chrome lip retro slot wheels, and in the front it's got a chrome rim black open hole 5-spoke. So I don't know if you can catch that, but yeah, there you go. So round wheels in the front. Other than that, it's a good version. So this is my second error of this casting. I got a red one with misprinted taillights. So yeah, that's interesting to have that many errors. And then we got the treasure hunt. There you can see the Circle Flame logo, 1984 Audi Sport Quattro, and the Wild Wide Body series also. Short wheelbase. You get the Circle Flame logo. Nice silver side deco, front deco, albeit quite limited, but you know, it's there. Another Circle Flame logo on this side. And then it's got those yeah, cool wheels. So grab yours while you still can at Little Belgium. Thanks for watching.